Hi, this is Dan, Electrician's Business, and today I wanted to show you what we're going to be doing. We are providing electrical installation for a kitchen. This is the plan of the kitchen, and yeah, obviously we've got to provide all appliances with the relevant supply. We're going to be doing lights and other things. So this is the room that we're going to be converting. Somebody started working on the electrical system, but disappeared. So we're moving in and we've got to make some corrections on what has been done. So I started the job with lining up all the points, measuring everything, and very shortly we are going to channel all the routing of the cables and install the sockets, or rather socket boxes, in the right places. And let's see how long it takes us.